What's up, traders? Welcome to another video on the Gold Rush channel. If you're actually new to the channel, here we drop the best of the best trading view indicators, best elite trading view indicators that will give you consistent profit from the Forex, stock, or crypto markets. Basically, the Gold Rush channel comes with a free Forex signal account where we share Forex signals completely free. Free Forex account. This was just yesterday. GBP USD 42 pips in profits, gold 38 pips, gold 26 pips in profits, gold 63 pips in profit. This was profits made yesterday from the Forex market on the Gold Rush free Forex signal account. Alright, without any much further ado, let's actually dive into the video. Today we are dedicating today to the swing traders. This is for traders that actually want to wait for about a month or probably 2 months. More like swing traders and position traders, both of them, depending on which you are. This is a daily chart. This is for swing and position traders. Those are traders that keep their trades for probably days, weeks, and months. Days are actually not part of it sometimes, but we're talking about weeks, months, and probably years also on a trade. So if you're a scalper and intraday trader, you should actually just forget about the video for now. But you can actually watch it, get a little knowledge, definitely you get to when you want to start using position trading. So basically, this strategy is just on its own. It's one strategy, and as a position trader, you already know about points of confluence and how many confluence you can use. This strategy is just another confluence. It's something you actually check probably after you've seen the price action and everything going on in the market. You use the strategy to find a perfect entry. This is what the strategy is for. Do not use it on its own as a position trader. It's not like I'm actually saying it because you already know it's your position trader. So definitely you know points of confluence and the rest. So basically this strategy is a 1:3 risk to reward strategy. It's basically right here. I'm not actually going to be showing you the price action. It's just basically a strategy. So once you get a signal, this is a long, meaning a buy. You just take it. Stop losses a few pips away from the most recent. It should have been this one right here, but I'll prefer this one. A bit away from. So we'll go. One is to 3. We actually see. One is to 3. It's right here. So the first trade is done. 1:3 risk to reward ratio over probably, let's say, a month. More than definitely. So basically that's the first one using our indicator. The second indication or the second one was right here. So basically this is a sell signal. We'll go over here for short position. This is where it hit us. Then for stop loss, normally it's our highest high or lowest low and the highest high for this particular trade. So we're up here which is pretty far away from our indicator line. This is our indicator line. So we want it close to our indicator line. Therefore, we'll bring it down to somewhere about here, close to the blue line. A little away, but close to the blue line. That's where our stop loss will be. And then our risk to reward ratio is 1:3, which is right here. So we'll just drag this down and see if it actually hits. Beautifully, it did right here. So 1:3 done. Again, let's see if we'll see another. Okay, just a few days later, we had a long position. Right here, a few pips above the blue line. Let's see. Yep. That should be fine. And 1:3. This is it here, and in a matter of days it went for it. Boom. So this strategy is quite beautiful, it's quite profitable on its own, but as a position trader you need points of confluence where 2 or 3 indicators meet, or where 2 or 3 indications or criteria. So presently we should be in a trade right here. So basically this is our short position. That is it there. Stop loss above here. As you can see, your high is actually marrying this line, so it's takeable. So then we're going for 1:3. 1:3, it's an ongoing trade. This is it. Beautiful. 1:3 down here. Currently the market is still open, so we will see for ourselves 1:3 risk to reward ratio. We were currently doing about 1:, how many here? 1:1.5 basically, and we're doing fine. We need about 1.5 more. Before I actually leave the video, the Gold Rush is actually running a giveaway for a handful of our subscribers. We're giving out $30 to $100 free, fully funded Forex account to a handful of our subscribers. All you have to do to qualify is hit the subscribe button, and in the comment box drop how you'd like the Gold Rush channel to actually improve, or how do you like the Gold Rush channel, or what exactly do you like the Gold Rush channel to do videos on. And if you have good comments, bad comments, it's all acceptable. All you have to do is just put it in the comment box and we'll reply to you when we see it. If you've done all this, guys, peace.